Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sheila here. I hope you guys are well and I hope you guys are keeping safe. So for today's video, I wanted to do a Valentine's inspired makeup look, and I have used my all-time favorite palette, the Huda Beauty Nude palette, for this look. And I love this palette just because it's so versatile. You've got like so many colors in there that you can use for daytime and nighttime, and obviously with it being Valentine's Day, I just thought these colors were so pretty and it works. If you guys want to see how I recreated this look, then please keep watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, click the notification button and like and comment. Let me know what you guys think of this video, and maybe if you have any like ideas or suggestions or videos you want to see me do, or like recreate a celebrity look or anything like that, let me know and I'll do my best to upload it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and we're gonna get started. Off with from the palette, I'm gonna take the color Secret, which is, oh god, that one, and just taking a fluffy brush, I'm gonna work this into the crease of my eye. Next, taking the color Teddy from the palette, and you can use the same brush, it's okay. I'm going to take this color and work it just into the crease only, and keeping it on the outer half of the eye. I'm not going to work this inside yet. One thing I love about this palette is even if you get a bit of fallout, it's okay because it comes off really easily. Taking a clean blending brush, just going to go over everything and just buff it out. Next up, I'm going to take a small brush and I'm going to work the color Teddy on the lower lash line. Taking a slightly tapered, smaller blending brush, I'm going to go in with the color Raw from the palette. So this one over here. Nope, not that one, sorry, that one. And I'm going to work that on the outer corner of my eye. And then taking that clean blending brush again, buff everything out. And then going back in with that same small brush and the color Raw again, we're just going to work that on the lower lash line. And then if you want to, you can deepen it slightly. I am going to do that. I'm just going to add a bit more of that raw color. And sort of just creating that cat eye effect with the eyeshadow. in a way, sort of just creating a V and then blending it out. And one trick I like to do is with your fingers, just slightly clean up the edges and you've got a line. So going in with my favorite color from the palette, the color Crave, so that one over here. I'm gonna work this on a flat brush and I'm gonna try and pick up as much product as possible. And what I'm gonna do is work it into the crease of my eye and sort of use that to create the illusion of a cut crease without having to actually cut the crease. And what's nice about this one color, like the same formula, because it's so reflective, it gives that illusion of that cut crease and reflects off that in the light, so you get that cut crease look without having to actually spend time cutting the crease. All I'm doing is right now going into my socket of my eye. If you wanted to, you can work this higher and you'll get a higher crease. It's entirely up to you. The same brush, without adding any product, I'm gonna apply the color Crave to the arches of my brow. So off camera, I'm gonna do my eyeliner and my mascara. I'm gonna be using my all-time favorites in terms of those two products, which is the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black, and then the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara, obviously in black. And then for lashes today, I'm gonna be using the Luxe Lashes by Mana in the style ASYA. And I'll be right back. I'm back and I've done my lashes, I've done my liner, as you can see, and that's the eye look done and dusted. Now onto the lips, I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Supersize Me liner, and I will be using her new lip product. It's called Crystal Happy Kiss, and it's part of her new range that she's launched. So it's like a lip oil, but also a lip balm, but it feels amazing. And I've been living on this specific color for quite a few weeks now, and it's called Crystal Happy Kiss. So I'm just gonna do my lips and my liner. Those that know me know that I don't really wear lipstick. I just go in with a long-lasting liner, such as this range, and it genuinely is so long-lasting. And I just go in with a lip gloss. That's done, and then this is what the lip oil, hold on if it wants to focus. It's a little bit dirty, I'm sorry guys, because I have been using it. But this is what it looks like. And when I tell you it feels so good on the lips, oh my god. That is that. This is the completed look. This look was inspired for Valentine's Day, which is literally a few days away, so I'm really sorry this video's come out late. But with this look, to be honest, it isn't just a Valentine's look. You can use this for day to day. Like, these colors are so versatile. You can use them for your daytime, date night, office party, any situation, your Zoom meetings now that we're still in lockdown. But yeah, so it can be used for like any occasion. You can obviously spruce it up with lips. So today, obviously because it's Valentine's inspired, I did want to go for a pink on pink look, but should you wish to like mute it a little bit and like soften it, you can use like a nude lip. Or should you want to vamp it up even more, because the eye makeup's not heavy and crazy, you could go for an even brighter pink lip. It's entirely up to you. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click that notification button. For every time I do upload, you will be informed of it. And if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, any questions, or any suggestions, write it down below. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you guys all very soon. Have a great day.